Hey you, and welcome to this video where we'll help you out how to fix live option is missing on TikTok. And this is quite simple to fix. But first of all, we go to Safari and we go here to the TikTok live requirements. Because Meta AI is saying the next thing, we need a follower requirement of 1,000 followers. But keep in mind that this depends on the country. Because I'm living in the Netherlands and I can go live, but I only have 44 followers. So that depends on the country. Then you need to be 18 years old to receive gifts and 16 years old to go live on TikTok. Here it says age requirement to go on TikTok is 18. So that also depends per country. And you don't want to have violations because then it's not possible to go live. And with these three requirements, you need to compare yourself in also the country where you live. Because in South Korea, you need to be 19 years old to go live. And in most of the countries, you need to be 18 years old to go live. And then if you are 18 and you can't go live in your country, then you need to know that you need to receive 1,000 followers, because that is the only way that you can't go live if you don't have a violation and you are already 18 years old. If you are younger than 18 years old, then you can't go live. And this is the answer for you how to go live on TikTok. All right. If you have these three requirements and the TikTok live option is still not showing up, then what you need to do is go to your profile, the three lines right in the top, settings and privacy, scroll down to free up space, and then from here click on clear cache. Clear cache. Then throw, after the cache is done, throw TikTok away. Open TikTok again, and right now if we click here on the plus icon and we go to live, we have the option right here. So this is exactly how this works. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.